Production planning and control, or PPC, is defined as a work process which seeks to allocate human resources, raw materials, and equipment, machines in a way that optimizes efficiency. In layman's terms, PPC helps manufacturers work smarter in allocating internal resources of people, materials, and machines in order to meet the demands of customers. With ever shorter lead times and increasing price pressure, the challenges of make-to-order manufacturing and complex variant management are loud and clear. To compete, mid-sized companies must optimize their production processes. That's why ERP Production Planning and Control, PPC, is at the heart of the YGL BeyondERP system for modern production companies. It enables efficiency, coordination, and the leveraging of production-related data to drive improvement. Since medium-sized suppliers are becoming increasingly involved in their customers' product development, the subject of Product Lifecycle Management, PLM, is gaining importance. The development and production of complex products at different sites with a large number of people involved requires significant coordination and collaboration. You can trace the version history seamlessly over many years to check what was developed or changed and when. No confusion or redundancy of effort here. With YGL BeyondERP Production Planning and Control, your production processes become much more coordinated, collaborative, and streamlined, enabling you to increase value creation throughout production.